are like 4-5 meter waves, you know, hitting the bow. You can see. Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially got stuck in a very surprising, out of the blue, bad weather, not bad weather, but heavy swells coming from the north side. Like I showed you, the vessel is pitching a lot. So the captain just told me to make a weather report and send it to the company and all the various departments. So I have done that on the PC. Now we are waiting for them to tell us what action we should take, alteration of course, or if this is still okay. So we are estimating that this will last for another 2 days. This is the route. We were here. Now presently our position is just here, South China Sea, to go all the way to Xiamen, which is just parallel to the Taiwan. So last time we went here in Kaohsiung, but this time we're going straight here. There is one storm which is developing. Let's track it. So it's going to dissipate. So weather god is with us. One good thing is that we are fully loaded. Therefore the vessel is, you know, trying to come back immediately, and it's not going to one side and, you know, to the other for a long time. Mostly it is just pitching because the swell is from the forward. If it was from the side, then we would be rolling, but so far it is from the forward, and you can see the horizon and the crane number 1, which is over there, moving up and down. Now pitching too much suddenly. Tota, how's the experience as first time third officer?
Kind of tough.
Tough?
Yeah.
What is the toughest part?
Toughest part is it is about people. It is not about ship. Yeah.
So whenever there is sudden drop in pressure, you know that we are entering low pressure. So
yeah, it's
right now it is still okay. Yeah,
it's still okay. 1008.
1008. So if it goes below like 3 hectopascals within 1 hour,
yeah,
that means we are entering somewhere near
low
the
pressure, yeah,
low pressure. But we are still heavily pitching out of the blue.
Yes.
I have sent the WNI request for the weather services, so you can check it out, and check the weather forecast in the coming days. Okay. Malansi, we got a message from the weather services. They said master's intended route has been carefully analyzed and basically it concurs with what they want to do. So we are safe and secure. There is only one low pressure which you'll see developing here.
Yeah.
On the 17th. Anyway, we are somewhere there. Yeah, clear. So this is how they send the various things like significant wave height. So it's where is it? 2 meters going up to 4 meters. Still pitching.
Yes.
Very bad. Are you feeling?
You can see me walk.
Yes.
It's not active.
Yes, this is the real. So Sahil, enjoying the bad weather?
Yeah,
Enjoying? Very good. One time you had some seasickness, now you are used to it.
Yeah, good morning. And also having some business.
Dizziness, huh?
Yeah, headache. It's okay.
Now it's good because I think we have stopped pitching also that much.
No.
And yes, some bright clouds are coming up. So guys, day 4 into the voyage and we are still in very heavy weather. You can see the rough choppy waves, you know, force 7, force 8 winds. Guys, we have a small pigeon in the aft station and I'm giving her some biscuits because she's trying to find food and she'll not find anything here. So let's try to help her. So it looks like the surprise bad weather has turned up pretty bad actually, because we were not expecting such force 7, force 8 winds, and you know, winds going, waves going up to 3, 4, not even 3, 4, 5, 6 meters. This is like totally surprising. Yeah, and this is happening more often than normal is what I have observed. So guys, like you see, wind is gusting up to 30-35 knots. Let me show you in the Beaufort scale what it means. So this is the Beaufort wind scale. So it's around near gale. See, heaps up white foam breaking waves, and wave height is estimated to be 4 meters or 5.2, reaching till 5.5 meters, and barometric pressure is 1014. We are not in a storm, but we are in a low pressure area, as the WNI, the weather services, told us. No fishing boats, that's the best part. So very good. We have increased the RPM to 61 because ETA is now earlier, and I'm very happy because I want to finish this Chinese coasting ASAP. Tell me what you learned about the bad weather precautions, heavy weather precautions.
I would say secure everything.
Secure everything.
Secure everything, yeah, everything on board secure, and then
We have to take weather service report.
service report and send WNI.
Yes.
And they'll send us a report, and we check if the route is fine with the upcoming
Weather.
storm or something like that.
Very good.
So,
Very good.
so yeah, if we are in trouble, they'll say, okay, you are in trouble, change your route. So the captain will change the route, second officer will change the route. Actually, captain will inform.
Under the master's guidance.
Under the master guidance.
Okay, very good. This is what you have learned from this bad weather. Good. Then Mr. Thuta is doing port papers and he's feeling very tired now.
I am finished. Second.
It's finished because of China.
Finish me, not job. Second. I am already finished.
Go, Thuta, sleep, Thuta.
Out of my efficiency. What I said is about people.
It's about the...
ship.
Very nice, Thuta. Thank you, Suta. The wind is still very bad, huh? But good part is no fishing boats.
No fishing boats.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, Suta. Take rest. See you in arrival.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. That is Gajendra. He is giving a lookout for fishing vessels. And we have another 3 hours. Another 3 hours 50 minutes. Anand enjoying?
Not enjoying.
Get ready.
Too much wind, you can see.
Anand, come here. Let's go for the pilot.
Yes.
And then today you are going ashore. You have to vlog the journey.
Sure about that.
Yeah, I'm not coming. I'm tired.
You see?
Guys, that is the pilot ladder which we have rigged. That's the pilot boat. And we are waiting now. What a beautiful approach. Beautiful island. Let's go forward. This is one of the most beautiful approaches I've ever had. And this looks like Twin Towers from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, but they are not. Yes, this is Xiamen. And we are approaching now. And Mr. Anand is going to go ashore today.
Hopefully.
No, you will go.
Really?
Yeah, of course. Cadets have no job responsibility.
Okay.
Yes. Anyway, you will start preparing for our station, Anand. Yeah. Multiple ships passing by. That is dredger. That
Yeah.
dredger. Chief forward, starboard side anchor ready for emergency.
Okay.
This is the best life you can get here. Yes, with such pretty sunsets, beautiful blue contrasts, make the most of it.
Okay.
Good. So guys, that is our tug which is going to be coming now. We'll be making fast. So maybe on the port bow. Captain forward tug will be on the port side main deck. Anand, prepare the heaving line. Anand, enjoying?
They cannot it just fall off on it.
Have a look at this beauty. Along with that, the moon is out and the sun has just set, and this sums up our beautiful day, and we have successfully covered the rough weather. Anand, I am sorry you have not got shore leave, and yeah, today I have to do till 7 o'clock as per that whiteboard. So you will have to help me with a lot of things.
Yes.
I will go on passage plan for the passage plan.
Okay.
You take care of certain
On
things.
deck.
So guys, unfortunately Anand could not go to the shore leave because it got delayed and immigration came late. Anyway, as you see, cargo operations are going on. It looks like a Diwali night. And I'm going to start my passage plan to the next port, which is Shanghai. So let's see how that goes. Well, Mr. Sahil just came from the shore leave and he's going to tell us how was the experience.
Yeah, first time in China.
Hmm.
Very good China, like Taiwan.
Like Taiwan shore leave, yeah?
like Taiwan, same China also.
And this guy over here is very upset
Yes.
because he didn't get the chance, but that's life. This is life at
This
sea.
is life.
And once you become officer, you will be like this here sitting all the time.
Now I have to go for watch also.
Now you
after
have
1
to go.
hour. So
Yes.
sleep.
Yeah.
Maybe Anand, can you take over 1 hour for
How
me?
many?
No,
hours?
no need.
No need?
I will manage.
Really?
I'm okay.
This is real friendship, man. These both are batchmates from Amet. So,
Yeah.
camaraderie. Excellent. Guys, example. Lead by example.
Yes. I don't know what I'm saying.
Swinging to starboard, copy that. Copy that, swing in to starboard. Forward maintaining 6 full knots to the vessel end. From the deck, keep an eye. Okay.
Okay, Anand, time to say goodbye to Mr. Jamin. And we are done. So you have to close the video because you are the star of the video. Anand, which is the standard message?
Subscribe, like, and share.
Excellent. Okay, guys, see you all in the next one.